In this video, we'll talk about the Modify Polys and Smooth Polys tool in MPanel Production. Often data is collected as a series of points. Here we've got two bimini shapes. One is made up of a pair of curves and the other a series of points. Now, one of the first tools we have is Join Points to Poly. So we'd select all of these data points, left click to run the tool, and here we can see a poly's been drawn through those points. Delete old. Now, an interesting thing we can see if we rotate this around, these data points are not necessarily perfectly aligned along the center of the bimini. So we have another tool where we can smooth a planar curve to a poly. Again, select the poly and left click to run the tool, and you can see the program's drawn a smooth poly that goes through the center line of all of these data points as smoothly as possible. And we can change this by changing the number of smoothing points. So if we select 7, for example, we'll get a different result, and we can simply fine-tune the results accordingly. Just undo that. Another feature is to do a curve offset. So if, for example, these data points were the bottom side of the bimini arc, we might have a 1-inch offset for the tube. Select the poly, run the tool, and now we have the same smooth single plane curve, but it's now offset 1 inch above the original data collection. Now here we've got two curves, and we can select both of them at the same time and convert several curves to a poly. Left click, delete old, and we now have a single poly. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact support@mpanel.com.